day 2 here in Santa Cruz, our first full day of vacation. We're just gonna hang out, lounge today, hit the beach. We don't have any big plans. Just gonna take it easy, enjoy this beautiful weather. It's a little overcast right now, but the clouds should burn off pretty soon. Once it gets a little warmer, we'll head down to the beach, hang out, ride some waves. I don't know if we're gonna go in the water, play in the sand, and just have a good time overall. Kids are already having a blast. Should be a lot of fun. Here we go. We just finished up an incredible day at the beach. We had a blast. It was incredible, man. There was probably 20 to 30 family members there at the beach. The kids had a blast. They were with, 8 or 9 of their cousins. So that was amazing. The weather was perfect. The water was cold, but that's usual. But we had a blast, but the kids are exhausted. They did the park earlier than the beach. So we got home, they ate, passed out. So they're done, which gives me a little bit of time to do some exploring. So I'm in the West Cliff area, gonna check out some sites here, get some photos, and do my thing for a little bit. So this should be fun. And that is a wrap for another awesome day here in Santa Cruz. A ton of fun. Was able to get to the beach. Was able to get some really cool photos today. Going on a little bit of a photo adventure as well. So overall, solid day. Continuing to have a ton of fun. That was our first full day as well too. So gonna keep it going. Gonna do all 7 days here. So it's been challenging, but it's been fun. So I'm gonna share some photos here. I got some really good photos as well today. So I'm gonna share some photos here at the end of the video for you guys to enjoy. Fam is here at the end of the night, winding things down. But that'll do it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.